Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Sorry for the shakiness here. I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys what this mess looks like that we are dealing with tonight. This is my kitchen and breakfast area, and we are getting ready for a garage sale. So I was tagging a bunch of clothes a few minutes ago, and we ate, and then now I am ready to clean up. The kids are outside playing, and Chance is out there with them. So I thought I would get a power hour in because they have about an hour before bath and bed, and it's just so nice. So they are playing outside and I can get some cleaning done. If you're new here, welcome. I'm so glad that you found my channel. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and that way you don't miss any of my videos. I do cleaning videos, hauls, day in the life, vlogs, things like that. So I would love to have you subscribed, and if you are already a subscriber, welcome back. I'm so happy that you are watching, and I hope that this video gives you guys some major cleaning motivation. So obviously the first thing that I'm doing is just cleaning off all of the clutter so that I can wipe down the kitchen and get it all nice and clean. And if you're ever interested in any of the products or anything that I use, I try to leave links down below in the description box. But if you don't see something and you want to know about it, then just leave me a note in the comments and I'll be glad to answer any questions. Also, I would love to know your favorite cleaning products. What is one cleaning product that you can't live without? Leave me that in the comments below because I would love to check it out. So I know this is kind of weird, but I think dishes and getting the sink cleaned out is probably my favorite part of cleaning out of everything. I think because it is something that is so dirty and then it doesn't take very long for me to do, but I love scrubbing the sink out and seeing how nice and white it is after I'm done. So in case you're wondering, my go-to cleaners for the kitchen are the Mrs. Meyer's Multi-Surface Spray, which is that one right there. And I love all of their scents, but that one was the radish scent. And then the rest of the products I'm using are by Method, and I've got the stainless steel cleaner, the granite cleaner, and the daily wood cleaner. And I love the way they all smell, and I feel like that's probably why I enjoy cleaning now, is just because of all the different scents and how wonderful they are. But I do love the way that they clean and leave everything looking so shiny and just sleek. And I do get all of my products from Grove Collaborative, and there's a link down below in case you would like to check that out.
I bet you think that I should calm down, and that I'm overthinking everything about you, and that we're good the way we are. But I don't know that much about you, what things you like and what you don't. It's not that long since I met you for the first time. You know we should work it out. You know we should work it out. Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions.
And here I'm just taking some of the clothes that are going on the table out to where we have it set up for our garage sale, and then the rest of them need to be hung up, so I have to go get hangers for all of that.
I know I'm feeling something for don't let me go when I come real close. I don't wanna get hurt, 'cause I'm not ready to give you my heart yet. Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? Will you let me down? Before I'm too invested, you should take it easy. Maybe we could test this.
So I get a lot of questions about my Dyson, and I absolutely love this thing. This is the Dyson V7. I got it in March, and I don't know how I ever lived without it. I had a Dyson before, but it was one of those big, bulky vacuum cleaners, and we still have it, but just in case we ever need it. But we keep it in the garage for right now because it is so big, but I haven't had to use it once since I got my new Dyson. And yes, it does vacuum my entire house in one charge. Now, if you put it on like max power, it only does it for like 6 minutes. So I use the max power only when I'm spot vacuuming, like right after dinner. A lot of times I'll come over and vacuum that area, or if someone spills, you know, crumbs or something in somewhere, then that's when I'll do the max power. But other than that, I'm usually vacuuming the entire house at one time, or the entire downstairs, or certain areas of the house, and it lasts the entire time. And I do have a link to the exact vacuum that I'm using in the description box below, and it links you to Amazon, and in case you would like to check that out.
Tell me, do you want me? And will you let me
Don't care what you came from, only what you gon' do tonight. This is what we came for. Let's find out what we're made of tonight. The way you rock and dance.
So Gracie June, the superhero, said that she wanted to help me, and so I'm trying to give her tasks to do, but everything that I give her, she decides doesn't need to go there. So yeah, she helps for about 2 seconds or pretends to help before I end up just cleaning the rest by myself.
Feels like nobody's watching. My hands on your body, surroundings getting foggy tonight, but we just getting started. Physical and thoughtless unite, and we just wanna stay here. It's obvious, it's so clear now. I know what I'm in for, so baby keep it going. I don't mind. We dance like nobody's watching. Dance like nobody's watching.
Now that I'm done with most of the cleaning, I'm going to go ahead and get their book bags and everything together for tomorrow. So I'll be going through their book bags, checking their folders, and just putting Gracie June's lunchbox in the spot where I usually put it so that I can easily make her lunch in the morning. And then with Kason, we usually look at the lunch menu each morning, and I'll tell him what they're having, and he will decide whether he wants to have a home lunch or if he wants to buy lunch from school.
What I'm in for, but baby, keep it going. I don't mind. We dance like nobody's watching.
And Kason still had some homework to finish tonight, so I just left that on the table so that right when he comes in, we can do his homework before he gets a bath. Alright, now the hour is up and I am happy with what I got done in this hour. I hope that you guys got some major cleaning motivation from this video and you subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. Also, go follow me on Instagram. We share lots of daily stuff over there for our family, and I'd love to be friends with you guys. Alright, I'll see you in the next video. Bye, y'all.